ये हमने देखा कि एयरप्लेन जब नीचे आया था ऐसा लग रहा था उसका क्रैश हो जाएगा ऐसा हम सोच रहे थे, तभी क्रैश हो गया। हम देखे कि हमें लगा नहीं क्रैश हो गया है, लेकिन एयर ट्रैप पे उतरेगा ऐसा लगा, उतर रहा है, लेकिन क्रैश हुआ और उसके बाद स्फोट हो गया उसका जबरदस्त। स्फोट होने के बाद वो हम देखने आए, पहले देखा तो उसको आग लगी थी पूरे प्लेन को, और उसके बाद 4-5 स्फोट हो गया विमान में उसका।
A shocking eyewitness account has emerged from Baramati Airport, where a charter aircraft carrying Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister and Nationalist Congress Party Chief Ajit Pawar crashed during a landing attempt on Wednesday morning. Officials confirmed the Learjet 45, operating as VT-SSK, went off the runway as it came in to land shortly after 8:45 am. The crash killed all on board: Pawar, 2 members of his security staff, and 2 crew members, according to the Directorate General of Civil Aviation. An eyewitness who rushed to the scene described the horror in stark terms.
क्या कहेंगे, ये हादसा हुआ आपने खुद देखा है?
आंखों से देखा है, बहुत दुख भरी, दर्द भरी घटना है। ये हमने देखा कि एयरप्लेन जब नीचे आया था ऐसा लग रहा था उसका क्रैश हो जाएगा ऐसा हम सोच रहे थे, तभी क्रैश हो गया। हम देखे कि हमें लगा नहीं क्रैश हो गया है, लेकिन एयर ट्रैप पे उतरेगा ऐसा लगा, उतर रहा है, लेकिन क्रैश हुआ और उसके बाद स्फोट हो गया उसका जबरदस्त। स्फोट होने के बाद वो हम देखने आए, पहले देखा तो उसको आग लगी थी पूरे प्लेन को, और उसके बाद 4-5 स्फोट हो गया विमान में उसका। और उसके बाद बहुत लोग आ गए और उसने निकालने की कोशिश की, लेकिन बड़ी आग लगी, उसके कारण कोई मदद नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन सब आ गए। तब बाद में उसमें आजिद दादा था, ये हमारे लिए बहुत शौक की बात में है कि हमें बता नहीं सकते हम बात में ऐसा, लेकिन हमने देखा है कि पायलट ने भी ट्राई किया होगा कि लैंडिंग करने का, लेकिन लैंडिंग हुआ नहीं है। ये बहुत शौक वाली घटना है। हमने देखा पूरा एक नीचे आ रहा था, ट्रैप पे आ रहा था, ट्रैप के नजदीक 100 फुट से नजदीक आकर गिर गया है।
Visuals from the Baramati airport show charred remains of the aircraft and debris scattered off the runway. Thick smoke and fire engulfed parts of the wreckage as emergency personnel cordoned off the area. Ambulances and fire tenders worked quickly to secure the site and prevent further danger, but the sequence of explosions made rescue efforts extremely difficult in the moments after impact. The aircraft was flying from Mumbai to Baramati, where Deputy CM Pawar was scheduled to attend multiple public meetings as part of his political engagements. He had left the state capital earlier in the morning after attending a key cabinet meeting. The sudden crash has cut short both his journey and a long career in Maharashtra's political life. Aviation officials have confirmed that all 5 people aboard, including Pawar, were killed. There were no survivors. This confirmation has now shifted the focus to understanding exactly what went wrong. The DGCA has said it has constituted a formal inquiry to investigate the causes of the crash. Teams will examine aircraft systems, pilot communications, and weather conditions at the time of landing to piece together the final minutes before the aircraft struck the ground. The eyewitness account of multiple explosions adds a disturbing element to the preliminary picture. Investigators will now account for the sequence of blasts alongside physical evidence from the site. The priority is to determine whether a mechanical failure, pilot error, or some other factor such as runway conditions played a role in the tragedy. Locals and officials alike are still in shock, coming to terms with the scale of the accident. The loss of Ajit Pawar, a senior political leader with decades in Maharashtra's public life, has prompted shock and condolence messages across party lines. As the DGCA investigation proceeds, questions of aviation safety and emergency response will be at the center of the inquiry. For now, the eyewitness words, 4 to 5 massive explosions, remain among the most dramatic descriptions of what was a sudden and tragic end to a routine political flight. Maharashtra mourns one of its most influential leaders, and the nation watches as investigators work to explain how a scheduled landing became a fatal disaster.